Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the online catalog for the Metropolitan Library System. This is our main library website, metrolibrary.org. To get from here to the catalog, you can click on this link, or you can also just create a new tab in your browser and type in catalog.metrolibrary.org. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can type it into the search box here. But if you're not looking for anything specific, or you're not sure where to start, this home page of the catalog features a few hand-picked categories that change on a monthly basis. You can click on the arrows to see more suggestions, and if you find one you like, clicking on it will take you to the full record that shows a summary, shelf location, and other information. Let's say you are looking for something specific. You can type it into this box and hit Enter, or click on Search. If you end up with a ton of results, you can narrow it down with filters on the column to the left. To go back to the original results, you can remove your filters here. To see other books written by the same author, you can click on the author's name. If you only want to see books from a specific series, you can narrow it down with a filter. Then click on this drop-down menu to change the sorting by publication date. That will put the series in reverse chronological order. Let's say I want to check out the latest CD by one of my favorite bands. I can type the artist's name into the search, narrow the results by format, and then select the item I want. By clicking on All Copies, I can see which library branches have a copy of it. If the status says in, it's on the shelf. If it says loaned, then someone else already has it. On hold shelf means it's being held for someone to pick up. If you're using the catalog at the library and it says in, you should be able to find it at this shelf location and check it out right away. If it's not available or you're using the catalog from another location, you can place an item on hold. You'll have to log in with your library card number and last name to do this. Select which branch you want to pick it up from. Now, you'll get a notification when it's ready to be picked up. To view your account, click here. Your account activity will show you what you have checked out, what you have on hold, and what your fines are. Saved lists and saved searches are also really handy tools. If you find a book you might want to read in the future, but you don't have time right now, you can put it on a list and come back to it later. For instance, I've been meaning to read Batman: The Dark Knight Returns for a long time, but I keep forgetting. I'm going to create a new list to keep track of all the comics I want to read. This should help me remember to check it out sometime soon. So what if I want to do some research on nonfiction material? A good way to start is just to type in a general term and then narrow it down by adult nonfiction. If I like the results, I can save this search and come back to it later. If I want to keep going, I can click on something that looks promising and then scroll down to see the subjects associated with it. Clicking on these can take you to results of the same subject. I can add all the items I like to the list. And then view the whole list in my account. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you want more tips and tricks on how to use the library, find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, or just come visit us in person. Now I need to go pick up that CD I've been waiting for. See you later!